Hello, this is Zoology project. Right now, we have the index, and we have introduction, and we have animal kingdom, and we have fish
and birds.
and birds.
And then we have insects and mammals.
Yes. Okay. Evolve, and this is the evolving,
Why is it so sleep?
and this is the reason. This is and animals. What does that say?
It's
Evolve.
just the reason.
Wait.
It's the reason. It's the reason.
Founder of evolution. His book.
It's nice.
There's an example.
Nice.
And this is embryology.
Baby to kilowatts.
Wow. This is steps of embryology. This is father of embryology. Wow. Paleontology. Paleontology.
Paleontology.
This is fossils.
Fossils. Okay.
And this is founder. And this is extinction. Credits. Wikipedia. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice.